We're going to take a look at problem 6.12 here. And they tell us a story about this molecule, how it is used in ultraviolet, or it is an ultraviolet absorbing compound that can be used in clothing to further protect skin from sunlight exposure. Because, fabrics do an okay job, but they add these other compounds sometimes that can add an additional UV absorbing layer to your fabrics. So this following transformation takes place when ultraviolet light is absorbed by the molecule, and they ask us to identify what arrow pushing pattern is utilized in this reaction. So we see here in 6.12, the curved arrow indicates a proton transfer. So we see two arrows, so that's our first indication that it could be a proton transfer, because there's always two arrows shown, at least with a proton transfer. And we see that the nitrogen atom here, this functions as the base, right? The lone pair on the nitrogen, and it removes a proton from the oxygen atom. So we see on the product side that the oxygen atom has been deprotonated and now has a negative charge. The second curve arrow shows the head of the arrow on the oxygen. So the lone, or the pair that was involved in the OH bond there, moved onto the oxygen with that second arrow. And now we see a positive formal charge on the nitrogen and a negative formal charge on the oxygen. So again, the arrow pushing pattern that we're asked to identify here in this reaction with this UV absorbing compound would be a proton transfer. All right, so we will look at problem 6.13 in the next video.